Hello, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3. Today I'll show you gameplay from Witcher Monster Slayer. As you can see right now, here in the center of the screen we've got our character. Also this pulsing ring is our range, and these white lines are streets. Let's begin with tapping on this monster.
Nice work with the ghoul, Witcher. Very clean cut. Looks like you're ready for the final exam, unless you'd prefer to practice on dummies first.
Let's begin practice. So firstly we have to perform fast attacks. And now critical hits. Okay, now we have to perform fast, strong attacks and also 2 critical hits. In order to perform strong attacks, you have to take longer pauses between swipes to perform strong attacks. Okay, that's easy. Now our job is to parry enemy attacks and throw 2 bombs and cast 2 signs. Okay.
Ready for the exam?
Yes, let's start the exam.
You must defeat the Devourer as part of the exam. Remember to prepare before the fight.
Okay, so the monster we have to slay is right here. Let's tap on him. As you can see, here we've got our fighting menu. And this monster is vulnerable to strong attacks, silver and kinetic damage. Right now we've got only steel sword, but we've got some potions. We can use thunderbolt, basic bomb, and necrophage oil. Okay, let's fight him. So strong attacks. And the monster is dead.
When the Devourer was struck down with a skillful blow of her sharp blade, the matter was clear. The Witcher had passed the exam. The Master nodded in recognition and handed a wolf school medallion and an inroad bestiary to the young Witcher, wishing that they'd serve him well on the path.
Okay, now we can select our avatar. Let's pick the custom one. And this is our name, which we can change. But let's leave it like this. We get a trophy and rewards for quests. As you can see right here, now we've got quite a few mobs and a quest. But let's check the menu right now. If we tap here, we've got our character and friends menu. We can add friends, manage them. In character menu we can check our equipment and sword. If we tap here, we've got bigger map with possible area of monsters. Let's tap in here. Character we've already seen, so let's go to journal. In journal we can see our quests and glossary. In bestiary you can see all monsters we've already killed or we've seen on map. We can also upgrade our skills. In here we've got our daily quests. Last thing is shop and inventory. Okay, let's slay another monster. Harpy is vulnerable to fast attack, steel, fire and kinetic damage. So let's use bomb, basic oil and some potion. Okay, I think that's enough for the beginning. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.